Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day, and if not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing the best aloo paratha. My whole family loves it so much. Let's see how is it made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are half kg boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 cup coriander, wheat flour dough as much you need, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon salt. Do not add other ingredients so it will ruin the taste of the aloo paratha. Now you will add all the ingredients to the potatoes and mix well. Now our mixture is ready. Wow, look at the inside of the paratha. It looks really yummy. Now you can eat this paratha with the chutney and drink lassi with it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.